Students, we will continue with the same chapter, that is adjectives. Today we will study the formation of adjectives. So students, some adjectives are formed from nouns and other are formed from verb. Now some examples are given over here of noun and verbs. Now see, the word from the word anger, it became the word angry. That is adjective. The next word is danger, noun, and when it is formed into adjective, it will become dangerous. Now the verb is accept, and when it change into adjective, it will become acceptable. Then the verb create, and when it will change into adjective, it will become creative. Okay, so there are many other words from which you can form adjective. There are many other nouns and verbs from which the adjectives can be formed. Now we will see compound adjective. Now, what is compound adjective? A compound adjective is formed when two or more words are joined together. Now, the word compound itself is telling by joining of two or more words. Okay, so compound adjective is formed when two or more words are joined together to modify. Okay, to modify the same noun. Okay, to modify the same noun, the words are usually separated with a hyphen. Now, so compound noun is formed by two or more words which are combined together. Okay, which are combined together like this. The compound adjectives are formed. Okay, so by joining two or more words. Keep in mind, it is formed by joining two or more than words, two or more than two words, and they are separated with hyphen. Now you can see here example, he submitted a 10-page assignment, 10 hyphen page. So by putting hyphen, these words are separated. Now don't give me half-baked ideas. Half hyphen baked. So see here, two or more words are joined together. Okay, two or more words are joined together. Now they have a 2-year-old daughter. 2-year-old daughter. Okay, so compound noun are separated by hyphen. Okay, I hope it is clear, students. Now students, now some of the compound adjective, when it ends in an ly, then there won't be any hyphen in between words. Okay, so do keep in mind that when any of the compound ends in ly, then there will not be any hyphen in between words. Now you can see here badly cleaned. Now here the word is ending with ly, so then there will not be any hyphen between the word badly and cleaned. Though there will be space between these two words, but there will not be any hyphen. Like before I told you, like 10-page, half-baked, between these two words there was a hyphen, 10-page, 10 hyphen page. But when the word ends in ly, okay, when the words end in ly, then there won't be any hyphen in between words. Okay, like badly cleaned. So badly cleaned, there will be space between badly and cleaned, but no hyphen. There are some other words like extremely brave, beautifully painted, widely used, and privately held. So between these two words, there won't be any hyphen. Okay, when the word end in an ly. Now, students, let's see the order of adjective. When more than one adjective is used to describe a noun, it usually follows a particular order. Now, students, when more than one adjective is describing a single noun, so it usually follows an order. Now we put it in an order. Now you can see what are those orders. First is quantity, second general opinion, third specific opinion, fourth size, fifth temperature, sixth shape, seventh age, eighth color, ninth nationality, and 10 material. Now here are some example. Now you can see they have a ferocious big 2-year-old black dog. Now ferocious will come in opinion, then big will come in size, 2-year will come in age, and black will come in color. Now student, it is not necessary that all means it is not necessary that to describe noun all the adjective is being given to describe. Okay, it is not necessary to describe a particular noun all the order of adjective will be given. No, maybe if you're describing anything, like if you're describing about the chair, so there will be size, it can be size, then it can be color, material, anything. Okay, now second, she bought a lovely spacious 4-bedroom flat. Now lovely, general opinion, spacious, size, 4-bedroom, you can take it as a shape. Okay, so students, now here other few examples are given over there, you can see it. Okay, hello students, let's see the degree of comparison. Now adjective have 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, superlative. Now see here example: hot, hotter, hottest. Hot is a positive, hotter comparative, and hottest is superlative. Now the positive degree is the base form of adjective. In other words, positive degree offers no comparison. Okay, so positive degree is the base form of adjective and it doesn't take any comparison, or it doesn't hold any comparison. Now see here, our house is large. Large is a base form of adjective. It doesn't have any comparison. Okay, Delhi is an expensive city. It is the base form of adjective. It doesn't take any comparison. And for negative comparison with not, we use the positive degree of comparison. If we want any negative comparison, then we have to put not. Okay, we have to put not. With not, we put not and then use the positive degree of comparison. Okay, when we want to frame any sentence with a negative comparison, then we will put not and then we use positive degree of comparison, like these flowers are not as fresh as those flowers. Okay, by putting not. Now students, when we want to compare two things, two group of things, then we use comparative degree. Now comparative degree is formed when we are comparing two. Compare means what? Comparing two or more than two things. Now here comparison is always done between two. So here it is saying when we are comparing two things or two groups, we use comparative degree, and comparative degree is formed by putting er. Students, do remember this: comparative degree is formed by adding er to the base adjective or by adding more before an adjective. So when Comparative degree is formed by comparing two things or two group of things, and also by adding er to base adjective, or by adding more before an adjective. Like, see the example, the room is brighter than that room. Brighter, by putting er, we are forming the comparative degree. Okay, I am more surprised than you. Now here the word more is put before an adjective. This shows the comparative degree. Okay, now third is superlative degree. Now superlative degree is used to compare three or more than three nouns. Okay, is used to compare three or more than three nouns. Now, in the superlative degree is formed by adding est. Now, students, in comparative degree, we were comparing two things or two group of things, and in that we were forming comparative degree by adding er to the base adjective, or by adding more before an adjective. Now here in superlative, remember, we will compare three or more than three nouns, and here in this we will form, means superlative degree is formed by adding est to the base adjective, or by adding most before an adjective. One more thing, students, we should use the before superlative degree of adjective. Okay, the. Now see the example, the Nile is the longest river in Africa. See the word the. Okay, and the word est, both are used. Now Sumit is the shortest. The is used, and est, by putting est, superlative degree is formed. Grace is the most trustworthy friend than I have. The most, these two are used to form superlative degree. Okay, students, thank you.